see, I am knee-deep in a fall decorating project. Okay, you know how much I love decorating for the fall because I talk about it all the time. And today I am really happy because I have a great crafting partner with me.
Thanks, Stacey.
I have Kelli with me. So now Kelli is usually behind the scenes. She's always on the other side of the camera. But Kelli, honestly, you're a lot craftier than I am. So I needed to bring her on this side of the camera today. So Kelli, obviously we're doing something. Can you let our viewers know what the heck we are doing?
Absolutely. So we are Mod Podging botanical pumpkins today. And what that is, it's basically a fancy glue, almost like Elmer's glue.
Okay.
But when it dries, it has sort of almost like a shiny, glossy finish.
Okay, so Mod Podging. I just like to say the word.
Mod Podge.
So, yeah, it's just kind of fun. But you guys, here's the thing, Kelli, that I love about this project so much, is that it's easy.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so I think that this might be the perfect fall project for a family.
Oh, yeah, definitely, especially with kids.
Okay, so yeah, what part can the kids do? What would be the best part for them?
Oh my god, yeah. So, I mean, half the fun we had was just gathering up all of our leaves. Like, you can see all the pretty colors that we have here.
Yes, reds, oranges,
oh my God,
everything.
yeah.
It was so therapeutic to go out and gather the leaves.
Yeah. And, I mean, we definitely found, we did a practice one yesterday, and we definitely found there's certain leaves that work better than others.
Definitely.
Yeah, so
yeah.
I have here these ferns. I actually got them this morning from my house.
Yes, I love the ferns. They look so pretty on this pink pumpkin.
Oh my god, so beautiful. And definitely the thinner, kind of more papery kind of leaves are going to work best. So we also have Japanese maple leaves.
Yeah, we found the Japanese maple leaves were very soft, and they have such good intricate detailing that they look gorgeous on the pumpkins.
We also have here, these are some pansy petal leaves.
Yeah, we just deconstructed them, and those go on so easily.
And they're so colorful. You can get any different color that you want. You kind of want to avoid things that are more stiff, waxy, things with like really stiff spines, because they're not going to conform as well to the pumpkin. So remember, you're kind of attaching it to a very round shape, so you want it to be a little bit more malleable.
Yeah, Kelli, so I love this. Kelli's doing kind of a more classic, almost like architectural look with these ferns.
A little more botanical.
Yeah, a little more botanical. And I picked the white ghost pumpkin because I'm like way into decorating with whites lately. It's just my new phase. But I am adding these gorgeous Stewardia leaves. So Stewardia is a gorgeous tree that turns this really pretty kind of apricot color. So I'm putting these on the pumpkin. So now Kelli, as our viewers are looking at this, your pumpkin looks a lot prettier than mine. Mine looks like all white, and is it going to stay?
No.
Like looking like
so,
this?
Yeah, I know it doesn't look like much now. It's a little bit cloudy and kind of like milky. It's going to dry clear. And actually, it develops a little bit of a gloss on it. So it'll look really nice and shiny. You can even coat the whole pumpkin if you want to when you're done. It looks really
to give the
nice.
whole pumpkin a shine.
Oh,
right?
Yeah.
So you guys, I have to say, I really think this is the perfect family project to do with kids because they will, one, it's going to get the kids outside so they can just go around and gather on all the beautiful colors and really see what fall has to offer us in Connecticut because there is so much to look at this time of the year. And then also, the kids can use glue and a paintbrush. This is so easy. It's a little messy, but remember what we talk about? Gardening is messy. Crafting is messy. You want to get kind of messy. That's part of the fun of it. And then you'll have something beautiful at the end. What are you going to do with your pumpkin?
I'm probably going to put it right on my dining room table. Have a nice little fall decoration there.
Okay, mine's going to go right in my front entryway because it's like a white, I have this white cabinet. And I'm going to put this white pumpkin right on there with these pretty leaves and pansies. I'm really into the pansies and the Japanese maples. That's what I'm going to do for mine. I want us together. I have this huge cheese pumpkin. Cheese pumpkins last a really long time. That's one reason they're really good to make botanical pumpkins with. I want to make that together. Can we do that? Stick around. Have the viewers stick around and we'll do that.
Absolutely.
Okay, great. Thanks, Kel. All right, Kel. I'm back with a big cheese. Are you ready to decorate it?
I am. Let's do it.
Let's go. so much for joining me on making all these beautiful botanical pumpkins.
My pleasure. It's fun for the whole family.
Thanks a bunch. See you next time.